Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this simple low bun hairstyle in less than 2 minutes. Start by popping your hair into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck. Then I'm going to add some wax spray to control any flyaways. I'll pop what I'm using in the description below. Next we're just going to split that ponytail in half, and then we're just going to tie those two sections together in a simple knot, as if you were tying your shoelaces. Pull the ends tight and we're going to repeat the same process. So take the ends, cross one over the other and bring the ends through the middle to create another knot. If your hair's longer than my client's, you can do another knot until you run out of hair. Hold everything together at the nape of the neck and then just tie it all together with another elastic band over the top of that bun. Then, using your fingers, we're gently going to pinch and pull at each loop and twist of that bun for more volume. Once you're happy with the size, just secure it to the head with a few bobby pins. Then just pinch and pull at the crown for a little bit more volume and texture. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.